Porsche 2015. You can see it there. Battery discharge protection active, capacity 80. We already changed the battery 95 AGM, 95 ampere battery, AGM battery, but still the message is there. I will show you how to we solve this problem. Now this is the battery, it's the down battery. You can see it here in small covers. In this case, we can see this battery cover near one cover. See this cover, see near switch. In the switch down, you can see it there one terminal. I will show you deeply. You can see it there one terminal. I think you understand. You see there is one terminal. You can see it there. I will show you how to fix. You can see it there. I already disconnected. You see there is, I keep one plastic. The terminal I make disconnect one plastic. You see this plastic. When you disconnect the terminal, no need to touch. We just put one plastic just there. You can see it. Then you can check, your message will appear here. Thank you so much, brother, for everyone, for useful tips. Bye bye.